Hey y'all, it's Corey, Real Men Get It Done. Quick video showing using an Orbital to do carpet. Now we have for my cleaning company a heavy industrial cleaner, but when we're in apartments, lugging all that up the stairs can be a challenge. So we're working on this apartment right now, small apartment, but we got the Orbital doing this thing, which makes life easier and also cleans up a lot quicker than a full industrial commercial machine. So I'm gonna show you a couple spots and then show you some of the before and after of some of the parts that we're hitting. All right, let's get into it. Real men get it done. Water is getting nice and hot. Have some of our pads that we're going to use. Always start by spraying the area. We want it nice and damp. So the Orbital we have, I had it listed, it's a Bissell. This is a quick, affordable machine if you're getting started. I got this one new, but there are used ones out there that maybe don't have all the bells and whistles. I got this one specifically because it has roller wheels and I wanted it brand new, but I've rented and used some of the other ones that are a little bit cheaper or don't have maybe the wheels and everything on it. And you can pick up an Orbital for probably $200. A carpet clean like this, as we're a smaller company, easily you can charge $100 plus for just doing literally 2 rooms. So you can see the layout of this apartment. We are halfway done with room number 1. We've been here about 15 to 20 minutes. This will be almost an hour job total that we'll get paid $120 for. So roughly $50 to $60 per room. You could charge, depending on the area. We're in a smaller metropolitan area, so not charging a ton of money, but again, enough for us to walk away with some pocket change. So that it is. I'll show y'all some more clips and the process, but let's get back to it and get into it. Very easy clean supplies. Use the rest of my Dawn that's right here. Dawn with a little bit of Clorox and Oxy. That's important. The Oxy really helps. Tide Simple Premium Carpet Shampoo and some H2 Orange. And I love this because it sanitizes and also has a virucide cleaner that's in. And there it is. Sections. This room is good, it's done. Now I'm moving forward, just gonna do this little strip right here to show you the difference. So close, there's definitely soiled areas, you can see. There's a couple right there. The scrubber pad's gonna go on first, followed by the second pad to clean up any excess. Just switch the pad at pad number 2 on there. So you got kind of all different kind of pads you use for the Orbital. I like to start with a more abrasive pad that's harder, and then we move forward with a softer one to kind of clean up anything that the other one may have missed. So that's what we're doing right now, going over for pad number 2. So pad number 1, more abrasive. All right, and literally just like that, we literally have been here an hour and 10 minutes and took care of 3 rooms. So again, when I don't have to lug up my big heavy industrial carpet extractor, the Orbital is the way to go. And I love it for my cleaning business. And as the owner, I only come out in the field for carpet cleans. Again, have my son helping me to help him be an entrepreneur, earn some extra money, and it's the way to go. So I want to show you the before. I already showed you the before. I'm going to show you the after, and then we're going to get out of here, pack up, and clean up so we can get home for the evening. All right, let's get it.